and thanks for coming in this show. Myself, Pallav Mathur. I am working in Trimble as a solution specialist. Today we are going to discuss Trimble geospatial solutions. So first we are going to talk on the code-based processing GNSS grade GPS. We have a full range of handheld systems which can give you 2 to 5 meter accuracy in real-time mode. As you can see in the snapshot, there is a range of Juno series, which is Juno SA, Juno 3 series, and Juno 5 series, and then Android also. So all are for basically GIS data collection, and with the same accuracy with the different configuration. Like if I talk about Juno SA, it gives you 2 to 5 meter accuracy. It has 3.5-inch screen, and if I talk about GIS application, as it has Windows 6.1 mobile operating system, any GIS application which is compatible with it, it can work. You have your own application that is also can be installed, and you can do the GIS data collection. If we talk about Trimble software solution, we have a software called, which is going to come in the next slides, that is Trimble Terracing. That also you can use for GIS data collection, whether it is point, line or polygon. So the next is Juno 3 series. It has got two models, Juno 3B and Juno 3D. The main difference in both the model is one has GPRS functionality, that is 3D, and 3B have all other functions like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and accuracy. If I talk about, this is also the same 2 to 5 meter accuracy. And if I'm gonna do post processing with some base station, in that case you are going to get 1 to 3 meter accuracy with this system. It has got 6.5 Windows embedded system, which is specifically made for these kind of GPS handled by Microsoft. And the next system is a more rugged system, that is IP65 Juno 5 series. It has got two models, Juno 5B and 5D. The memory has increased in this system, as well as screen size, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and it has got 8 megapixel camera also. Accuracy is same. And one more feature is there, reading capability of 1D and 2D barcode RFID is also there. Then we have the same system in Android also. So now we talk about code or carrier based processing GNSS. We have got two machines, GPS machines, which are capable to give you submeter, decimeter, as well as 1 centimeter accuracy in your hand. So if I talk about first one, Juno 5, Geo 5 series, that is also Windows 6.5 based handheld with 45 channel, which has capability of GPS cloner and SBOS. 3.5 screen, 3.5-inch screen is there with 3 megapixel camera. It is also compatible with any GIS application which is capable to run in 6.5 Windows Mobile. The next system is Geo 7. The main feature of this system is rangefinder. It has got a rangefinder which is capable to get the remote location XY with the help of bearing and distance. If I talk about channel, it has got 220 channel with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BaiDu and QZ, all 4-5. You can do the data processing with this all GPS systems. It has got some sensors also, like 3-axis gyro, magnetometer, accelerometer, and it has got 5 megapixel camera. So this is just a overview of this unit, Geo 7. It has got SIM card port and field separable battery is there. Touch is display is touch, and it has got sensor also for light once you are working in the sunlight. Its antenna is here, and rangefinder utility is rangefinder module is here, which will give you the remote XY. So if we talk about the range of the rangefinder, which is 3 to 120 meter range in passive mode, and it will give you 5 centimeter accuracy. While standing here, I'm going to collect the XY of location which is 120 meters far from me, and it will give you 5 centimeter accuracy in that case also, in the post-process mode. And we have got a different cloud-based application also, which is called Trimble. It is capable to work with that application also. That is a cloud-based application. Once I am doing the data collection in the field, it instantly sends the data to the server, and you can see the data. Okay, this kind of data collection my surveyor has done, and if he is doing any mistake, I can instantly send him a message or make the changes in the form in which he is doing data collection. So it's both side sync cloud-based system. So this rangefinder is compatible with that also. If we talk about IP rating, this is IP65 with anemia interface also. So this is an example of how to collect the data with the system. So for using this rangefinder, we have a utility called rangefinder. It is installed in the system, pre-installed, and it's a free application. And comprehensive remote data collection capability, like you can see in the snapshot, there are kind of positions, like if you want to just offset, multi-offset. In the multi-offset, you have option of height, one shot, 2 shot, or 3 shot. Or if you want to take width also, that is also possible. And if I'm going to measure, then you can see the options: bearing, range, missing lines, and inclination. Also, you can do with this application. So if I'm going to, suppose I have taken the 3-shot option, so it will work like this. So I have to shot 1, 2, and on the top 3. After that, I'll be getting the height of that pole. So for code and carrier-based processing, we have more system which is for decimeter accuracy, ProXRT, GPS Pathfinder ProXRT. These instruments are actually made for real-time data collection. Once I am using Trimble own real-time service, that is only star, in that condition I am able to get 10 centimeter accuracy with these systems, Pro 6H and ProXRT with the external antenna. It has got 440 channel and 220 channel with all the Gagan, all the S-bus functionality also. It can connect any of Trimble MGS handheld as a data controller. Like this. It comes with backpack also and with the external antenna also for the 10 centimeter accuracy. For submeter, you don't actually require external antenna. So this is newly launched product from Trimble. This is R1 GNSS. This is very small device, like 44 channel, very rugged, IP65, very small in size, and it can give you 50 centimeter accuracy in real-time mode anywhere in the world. And the best part of this system is it may connect with any platform, like if you are using iOS, you are using Android, or you are using Windows platform. So very small, this is the size, lightweight, 187 gram only, rugged, IP65. So its antenna is here. So once you are doing data collection, you need to keep it like this, and it will give you the submeter accuracy. So there is one button only, on and off, that's it. Charging part is there. And you guys are using, if Android phones, so the same charger you can use. You don't need to carry another charger once you are in the field. So it's L1 only, but it works with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BeiDou, and QZSS also. 44 channel, parallel tracking, higher accuracy, autonomous position is there. Augmentation, S-bus if we talk about, all 4 systems are capable with this system, with this unit for submeter accuracy. And trip also, if you have any running base station with you, you can connect online with this system. So Trimble have RTX correction service also, which is You can use with this system also for sub-meter accuracy, like once you are using Trimble RTX with Trimble R1 with any of your smartphone. So in that case also you will be getting 50 centimeter accuracy with the help of IP. So this is the coverage we have for RTX satellites. And there is a free application comes with it. This is GNSS status utility, which will actually tell you, okay, what kind of accuracy I am getting. And RTX service is via IP or Entrip or whatever the system, VRS, whatever you are using. It will show you the battery part also of your smartphone. So detailed status you are getting, app settings are there, like you can change the unit system also. You can change the projection system also. So application work with you need to connect this with Bluetooth with your handhelds, with your smartphones. And as I was talking earlier, Trimble TerraFlex cloud-based application. If that application also you are using, that is also capable. Trimble TerraSync, that can also be worked with this. So if we talk about transport or carry, there's a pouch comes with it, and pole if you want. So, and if you want to trace actually your walking, so that also you can do. You have to connect small antenna which comes with a cap. You need to wear that cap and then you can walk for getting that tracing of that walk with the sub-meter accuracy. So some snapshots. So now we will be talking on the software part of Trimble Mapping and GIS division. So if we talk about softwares, we have two kinds of software. One is for GIS data collection and second is for GIS post-processing. So as we can understand with the name also, GIS post-processing software will be installed in desktop and GIS data collection software will be installed in your handheld, whether it is from Trimble or your own smartphone. So we have GPS Pathfinder Office for data processing for your desktop and Trimble Position Desktop add-in. Trimble Position Desktop add-in is basically once you are using ArcGIS for your whole system. Suppose you have ArcGIS for your desktop and ArcGIS mobile for your field data collection. So in that case, we have made our own software, that is Trimble Position Desktop add-in. So whatever planning or GPS or GNSS configuration we do in GPS Pathfinder, the same we can do in the ArcGIS mobile also with the help of this desktop small softwares. And GIS data collection software, we have TerraSync software. We'll talk on this in next slide. And then Trimble Position and Trimble TerraFlex, which is cloud-based application. So TerraSync is Windows-based. Trimble Position is also Windows-based, and TerraFlex is a cloud-based application. So let me start Trimble TerraSync software. This is a GIS data collection software in the field with the Trimble Mapping and GIS hardware. It's a Windows-based GIS software which work with the Trimble hardware, Trimble handhelds. So what we can do with this software is like user can upload existing GIS data with background map display. Suppose you have background map with you like shapefile, AutoCAD, JPEG, like vector and raster, both kind of background map you can put in with the help of this software in the hardware. So user can collect conditional attribute for different field condition like this. If I want a drop-down menu, radio buttons, checkbox buttons, automatic filling like date and time. So that is also possible with this software. Software update feature geometry as well as attribute in the field. So it is very obvious once I am updating any geometry. So it will ask you to update the database also. So there is a option of navigation in this software, like whatever the data I have collected in my day, and I want to go back whatever the data I have collected in the morning. So it will navigate you to that specific point or line with the help of direction. So this is the Trimble TerraFlex software, which is a cloud-based application, mobile JS application. Data collection can be done. Data collection can be done as per user requirement, like drop-down menu, whatever we were doing in TerraSync, we can do in TerraFlex also. So these are the format we can import, export in our software, Trimble TerraFlex. And it is, all three platforms are there. It is compatible, like Windows, iOS, or Android. So let me show you the workflow. So what is the first thing we do? We make a login on the desktop, and then we make a form, like what kind of data I'm going to collect. After that, I'm going to publish it, and it will sync with your hardware, with whatever the smartphone you are using. Then you do the data collection. Instantly, it will send you to the server on the web, and you will see and you will analyze, manage whatever you want to do with that data. Then you can import, export in different JS formats. So this is Trimble GPS Pathfinder Office, which is a desktop software for data processing, post-processing and all that. So we have different format for import, export in this also. And whatever the forms we were talking in the Trimble TerraSync, actually we make that forms in the Pathfinder Office and then import it to TerraSync, which is a field software. So data dictionary editor, you can make different data dictionary, which I've shown in the last slide also. Differential correction is post-processing. Export, you can export in different formats. If you talk about import, yes, it is also possible from the different formats. Then TerraSync Studio actually it allows you to control the data flow or what kind of GPS setting we have in the handheld. That you can control with this Trimble Studio. And you can put your company logo and etc. So when we talk about the user of these kind of instrument, so we have come up with the three main division or department, I would say. Watershed management, once I am talking about watershed, then definitely every watershed department in India nowadays trying to map every asset, whatever they have in the field. So if I talk about pipeline route mapping, yes, you can do with this. And GPS field data collection, different kind of GPS field data collection you can do. Managing hydrant and valve installation and maintenance you can do with this. Fault management you can come to with this software and hardware solution. If I talk about the next division, that is forestry division, very well known for our Indian people. Like we are doing tree counting, tree census with the same unit Maharashtra government is using for tree census, the Juno series. We can use it for boundary mapping also, environmental study, water forest demarcation, forest land, defense land demarcation also can be done, and national park mapping also we can do with this. So the next is municipal corporation. Municipal corporation is also mapping all the assets, whether it is manhole or pipeline and everything. So that is also can be done. Property tax mapping we can do with these systems. And land mapping also. So, thank you. If you want